Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss basics of chemistry. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. As a barber, you must know how to use chemical preparation safely and effectively, both for your own safety and that of your customers. The use of chemicals in the barbershop is vital to maintaining an effective infection control program. Hair and skincare products are chemical preparations used in your barbershop every day. Therefore, it's important to understand the properties of these products so that you can answer any questions your clients may have. Now, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the science that deals with the composition, structure, and properties of matter and how matter changes under different chemical conditions. Chemistry is divided into two areas: organic and inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of substances that contain the element carbon. Some examples would include gasoline, synthetic fabrics, plastics, and pesticides. Inorganic chemistry is the study of substances that do not contain carbon but may contain hydrogen. Some examples would include metals, minerals, water, air, and ammonia. Let's identify states of matter. Matter exists in one of three different physical forms: solid, liquid, or gas. When water freezes, it turns to ice. As ice, water is in a solid state with definite shape and volume. When ice melts, it turns back into water. In its liquid state, water has volume, but no definite shape. When water boils, it turns to steam. When steam cools, it turns back into water. As steam, water is a liquid that has evaporated into a gas-like state that does not have volume or shape. Today, we have discussed the basics of chemistry. We discussed the two areas of chemistry and gave some examples. We talked about matter and the three different forms, which are solid, liquid, and gas. Here's your assignment. Make sure that you watch Basics of Chemistry 2 and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you'd like more information about our Barber Boot Camp, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Now remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.